Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a mask out of a sock. So this is so simple, you don't even need to sew, you don't even need to know how to sew, you don't even need to know how to measure. All you need is a pair of scissors and some tissue.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? Inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down. I don't really care about love, I don't really care about love. Something about you gives me hope, something about you, something about you. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
And we're done. That is it. I told you guys it was easy. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright.